Okay, welcome back to our channel, The Catalyst, our home of solution. Okay, so now we are to continue with question D, which is in the subprogram play game, convert the pseudocode in this in programming in the task 2C. What was task 2C? Okay, this one. I think we already did that and invert it where indicated. Make the following adjustment to the program. Add statement which read for each player the column number they have entered into the variable call. Add two assignment statements which assign for each player the character this or that. I think we have already done that in our previous video. So now we'll move to our main, because when we look at this code, this is the code. I think the last code we wrote was play game, and now they are asking us to, in E now, it says in your main program, call the subroutine to display the game, to display the connect for grid and subroute and subprograms play game to let two users play the game. Make sure your program works. Okay, to do that we have to put that in our main. Okay, it has to be done in our main. So in our main, we'll start with display. The first one to display where is it again? Okay, so we'll start with this one that helps us to display. So in our main program, we'll start by displaying the board, and it takes in as parameter, it takes in C board, a C4 grid. Okay, it takes the grid, and then secondly, we also have to add play game, the procedure play game. So those two, I think that is it. And then now let's check, and it says save your source code as printout 2A, then print a copy. So let's first of all save our code. So to save our code, we'll save it on the desktop inside the folder. We had something, I think this is the folder. So we are to save as print2a.c, print out 2a.c. I hope that's what was asked of us. Yes, print out 2a. So now let's save and then see how it looks like. So let's run. Let's now compile. Okay, there is an error. What is the error? Each undeclared identifier is reported once. Okay, so what is the undeclared? Okay, they said play ticks undeclared. But this is it. Okay, was it play dicks or place dicks? Place dicks. Okay, it's placed. I hope that is what is on the question. Yes, it's place dicks. I see. So it was wrongly spelled. Place dicks. Next is what? Okay, there was supposed to be a semicolon before this. Uh-huh. What again? Physics not declared. What was it supposed to be? Dix not declared. Oh, Dix is a SHA. We did not declare it. Voila. So it has not inserted. Okay, let's play now. Let's see how it looks like. Column number, column one. What is this? Why is there an error message before? So I think what we're left with is just oh, it's too close. I want something that the display looks bizarre. It's bizarre. It looks bizarre, but I want to check and see what could make it look that way to print for it to appear in that manner. And then there's this message that keeps appearing. The invalid message. Okay, there was supposed to be there was supposed to be align equals to one. When align is equals to one alone, it prints error. Okay. Mhm. See? It does what it's supposed to be done, but now I have some issues with the space. It keys in the numbers, but uh, I have a problem with the way it appears. So everything being equal, let me just check and see how to resolve that problem so that everything can be intact. So uh, the first is play game. Okay, let's check one by one, one by one. Okay, so the first is that TV else is okay, display board okay, uh, everything is okay. Yes. Uh, oh, there was supposed to be space here. I think this is where the problem is. Yeah, I'm sure that's where the problem is. Because the display, when we display, hmm, hmm, okay. So I'm going to do some strict and some light modifications in our code, in our code to make it appear. Because if it does not print the grid the way we ought to print it, it will be quite bizarre. It will not be clear. So I just want to adjust some stuff on our programs and then see how it appears at the end. So yeah, I'm still checking. Mhm, mhm. This was supposed to be equals to zero. Mhm. Call is supposed to be less than one. Mhm. We have started, and this is supposed to be equals to, and this my column minus one because column is 5, so we have to reduce it to 4. That's why it was not taking. And now see the mistakes I was doing, but it is according to the code that was given to me. So play stop starts from 1. Display okay. Player equals to 0. Column align dot uh, equals to 0. Player 1 taking the call on the assign X. That's correct. Else player 2 we take on 0. Then next we have to verify if everything being equal. We are supposed to have this cd call this okay. If this okay, okay, else done equals to 0, full, okay, invalid, okay. Align is, yeah, that's okay, yeah. mhm. So I think everything is okay. Everything is okay. Let's see. Okay, so if I put in column 1, voila. The next in column 2, voila. Next I put in column 3, voila. Next in column 4, column 5, voila. So I will put O in column 2, yeah. I'll put X in column 3, and I will just continue in this manner just to then next 2, next I'll put 1, uh, 5, yeah. So take 3, okay. 4, oh no, let's say 2 so that we win. Voila. Game over, player 2 wins. But now there's a problem. Why the message game over? It is a tie. It's not supposed to be a tie. It's not supposed to be a tie. This message is a tie, has a problem. Sorry. Oh no, it's supposed to be place. Place dix must be equals to 0 for us to have a tie. It must be equals to 25, sorry. I think with this, everything being equal, we are satisfied. I'm just trying to get something here. Voila. So that's it. Game over, player 1 wins. Okay. So game over, player 1 wins. And now, um, let's try and see if we can make player 2 win. Let's make player 2 win and see how it looks like. I want to make player 2 win. Okay. Well, game over, player 2 wins. So it works perfectly well. Perfectly well. Okay. So we'll try to test if and see if it's possible to make a draw. Okay. We'll test a draw. Possibility for draw. So possibility for draw. I'm trying to perform a draw here. So player 2 comes in 1. Player 1 comes in 3. Mhm. Oh, yo, there's still gonna be win. Ah, la, la, la. Made. I did not reason. But anyway, there's possibility for draw. It will take us some time to make a draw, but it works. Okay, the others have worked, so obviously the possibility for draw will can be found. Okay, so that is it for our video. We have answered all the questions. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you for waiting till the end. Okay, see you in our next video. God bless you.